premium analysis of Bitcoin versus the American dollar. Okay, so we're looking at the monthly chart here, so we have a very nice macro overview of this asset. So if we look here, we do our buy and sell zone analysis, a little bit of supply here. I know this is supply because price turned, and we tore through it from around this area here, so around the $12,000 mark. Okay, if we look at this area, $12,000, we have price and efficiency. Okay, all the way up to here. It's been rebalanced about 50%. Okay, we formed another price inefficiency. This has been rebalanced, but this one just here is yet to rebalance. So that means there's a likelihood of price eventually returning to around the $12,000 price point and finding support there, pulling some buyers off the sidelines, and then continue our journey north. So if we have a look on the weekly chart, what that looks like, you can see a little bit more detail where we have this here. Okay, we have the child and the parent. I'll just go like that so you can see. Here's the parent, here's the child, tested once, twice, and now gone. The area that removed it is just here. So we had moves from here. Okay, so we're getting pretty low, aren't we? We have the $12,000 point, which is the child just here. The area just below is the parent, and then price is wriggling north. Also note that this is actually the origin of the move that consumed the supply here, so we could expect a reaction just around here at the $20,000 price point, which I think is very realistic. Have price and efficiency. We have the beginning of the buy zone set at about the 28,000 bucks, so we're probably going to wriggle here. Also note that we had this area here that was tested once, twice, three times, and now it's gone. The origin of the move that did that is here. The sell zone is here. Price went a little bit deep in the sell zone, and now we're starting to turn around. So where's price going to go to now? We don't really know, but $28,000 is a good point, and this is the ultimate price point. Sorry, $28,000 is a good buy zone, and the $20,000 is a really attractive price for rebalancing the price inefficiency we found just here. Also, we have this one here. It's not a very attractive price structure on this time frame, so let's drop down to the daily. Just have a little bit of a better look at the detail. Okay, here, so here we can see that price point that we discussed. This is really nice as well, just a nice continuation pattern. This is at about the 24,000 price point. The buy zone is there at around the $28,000. Then we have this one here. This is the $20,000 price point, and below that, if we get rid of that and focus on these little structures here, you can see that we have a lot of stuff. We also have this here, around here, tested once, twice, removed. Okay, so this was tested once and it was removed by, this is the $8,000 price point, the price point just shy of that. Okay, so these are really low prices. These are super, super low prices. Could Bitcoin go there? It could easily go there. If we look at this here, we had a super nice base here. Our price tested, and then left, and then we tested it. This is the $4,000 price point, a really nice mark. And we actually just spoke about the $3,100 point. Here it is. We spoke about the $3,100 point when it was up here, when it was around here. We spoke about this price point based on this buy zone. Okay, resistance tested. Slingshots pull back and we depart, and we spoke about this. This is a $3,000. We said $3,100 point. Price came to it on the money, and then we really continue to move higher. Okay, so there's a few interesting areas to keep your eye on there in Bitcoin. So watch those. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching.